Yeah, so I'm Declan from Dex Pets. We're a pet brand based down here in Wexford. And a couple of years ago, we came up with the crazy idea of doing a doggy vending machine with a dog-friendly pub in Dublin initially called Pie. So we reached out to you guys, and I met Omar. He's a great guy, and he was really up for this idea. Obviously, it's never been done before, as far as we're aware. It's definitely never been done in Ireland, and yeah, vending machines were absolutely brilliant with us. They guided us through everything. They trained me through everything, and they were up for the task as well of putting dog products, toys, and treats in a vending machine in a dog-friendly pub in Dublin. And it was just a brilliant experience. Yeah, they were very hands-on, and yeah, I couldn't sing their praises any higher. Yeah, it's just the standard vending machine. I don't know the exact model, but the standard with the card reader. It's completely branded with our brand. It has a QR code on it that goes to our website, and within that, it has a number of dog products, whether that's be treats or toys, small toys and stuff like that, whatever fits really. And we constantly put new brands in there, which has worked really well with PR and stuff like that. So there's all types of brands. There's Irish brands in there like Park Life Treats and Blue Pet Co. and Harley and Marley. Loads of different brands in there, and we constantly rotate them. And also we've had dog shampoos in there, dog toys, that whether that's like a fake bottle of wine that dogs can chew and all this sort of stuff, because obviously it was in a pub. So it's had a number of different products in there over the last couple of years. Challenges. We have many different challenges. We're a small family business, so we're constantly competing against the big boys that are out there. So doing something like this really gave us a lot of PR and a lot of traction and a lot of eyeballs as well. A lot of people are like, who the hell are these guys and what are they doing? So it really helped us peer our heads above water basically, and say, look, we're here, and we're here to stay basically. And it's helped us grow online. It's helped us grow our social media. Yeah, it's been brilliant. It's increased revenue, obviously, by being a revenue stream in itself. We have a couple of machines, and also bringing people to our website and to our social medias and stuff like that. That's what's helped. And we've even got in newspapers like the Mail on Sunday and all sorts of publications around the country. Yeah, it's been brilliant. Yeah, the tap and yeah, the card reader, and of course, because it's fully branded. Like, you guys completely wrapped it in our brand for us, so that really attracts people because it says doggy vending machine across the top. So people are like, what's that? Oh, that's for dogs. Yeah, I'd say like getting in a national newspaper was probably pretty huge. Yeah, because of it, and getting in a number of different publications around Ireland as well, and gaining a lot of PR and interest off the back of it because it's so unique. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Like, Omar's the man. He's the man. He's brilliant. Yeah, he's been on hand. He's on WhatsApp terms with me, and he voice notes me, he sends me messages if ever there's a problem, if I need help or guidance or training. Yeah, yeah, absolutely brilliant. Omar's the man. I love him.